So you're ready to make your first edit, and you'll want to log into your Wikipedia account. You can make an edit anonymously, but then it will record your IP address. So it's not as anonymous as you might think. So once you've logged into your account, you will see edit up at the top. And if I click on edit, I want to point out that if you see code instead of what I'm seeing, go up here to the top and choose visual editing or source editing. Visual editing is what you see is what you get, whereas source editing is the actual code. So I choose to edit in the visual editor, and I will just go and change something. Maybe I'll change October to Oct as an abbreviation. I'll change it back, but I just want to show you how to make an edit. And then when you're done, you just click Publish Changes, say what you changed. Say I'm doing some training. It's a minor edit, and then just publish the changes. And as you'll see, now October has become Oct, and I'm done. So that will be on the Wikipedia main space until I change it back. And that's all you need to do to make your first edit.